Hello and welcome back to IT Master Tech News channel. Today I will do the unboxing of something new from ZTE. This is ZTE Watch GT. This is only available in China currently, and there is another version called Red Magic, but I think this is they are very similar by the look and the build quality and other functions, but I wanted to have the ZTE Watch GT, which is currently not available globally, but I know this one have the English language as well. As you can see, for the watch, it's pretty big packaging, big box. And let's see, this is officially bought from the ZTE flagship store, and that's why, as you can see, its packaging is very nice. Let's open and see what's inside of this very big package. Here can be the phone, not the smartwatch actually, but it is what it is. Let's open and see what we got inside. Okay, we have a lot of plastics, protective things, and we have watch itself. You see this big box, how quality they packed, how very carefully they packed, so don't hurt the watch. Let's remove that and begin the... Okay, even we don't need to. Here it is. Very nice presentation. ZTE Watch GT. Here is all is Chinese. Some showing sport mode. It has 14 days of the battery life. AMOLED screen. Model is EC2040 ZTE Watch GT. And water protection. This one has also the saturation of the blood, oxygen blood saturation, heart rate monitor as others do, and there is nothing else here. It's not heavy. Let's open and see what the package has inside. I like to open it very carefully. I don't like the tearing of the package. If you see my videos, you know that I am opening very carefully. And let's see. I know that there is no good review of this watch. What I saw in the YouTube, all is kind of demonstrative videos from the ZTE official commercials. Here is the watch. Here is the watch. It has this is stainless steel and very good rubber straps. They are good. Screen is 1.39, 2 buttons, and it is, I think it is looking nice. Let's see what else we have inside. We have ZTE Watch GT paperwork, all in Chinese, and we have a charging cradle and nothing more inside. So this is it. I bought it for 539 yuan, which is 80 US dollars approximately. Let's see what the docking station is look like. But I think it's as regular others have. This is very similar to others. Yeah, this is with 2 pins on standard USB cable. And I think it's a magnetic. Yes, you cannot put it like this because magnet is not detecting, and this way you can put it. Actually, what I miss, I ordered the silver stainless steel body, and I got this one, which is not silver, not gray, I don't know. But anyway, it is what it is. Let's try to turn on and see if there is any charge. Yeah, we heard the vibration. And here it is, ZTE. Yeah. Oh, there is the English. As you can see, there is the English, and download app, binding watch. So that's it, guys. This is a very quick unboxing of ZTE watch. Please leave in the comments if you need to see more videos about this watch, because this is very rare watch and not yet available worldwide, and I want to test and use the all functionality, and then I will show you the full review. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for subscribing. Please help me to reach 5,000 subscribers. Stay well, stay safe, and hope we will start traveling again. See you in the next one.